Hey everyone, welcome to Age and Education channel. Today we shall look into the chapter Human Body. What is the importance of the human body? The human body is like a super machine. It is made up of many different parts that work together to keep you healthy. Each part of your body has a specific job, and when all the parts work together, you can do amazing things, right? So, every part of your body will have one work, right? Each part is assigned a work and it will do only that work perfectly, okay? And it coordinates with all other parts of the body, and overall it will keep your body healthy, okay? So your body is so complex, so super mission, okay? And movement and strength. So the human body will help you move and will give you strength. Your body allows you to move, play and explore the world around you. Muscles and bones work together to give you strength and flexibility, helping you run, jump, dance and do more. Without your body's ability to move, life would be very different, right? See how happily you can move from one place to another, right? How happily you can jump and play. So our body, human body, is so good a machine that every part will help you do something or the other, okay? Overall it's you have to always appreciate your human body, and you should eat the food that is that gives you a lot of health, and that allows your body to perform all its functions very well. Never forget it. Don't just put always junk into your body, okay? Because eating junk will make your organs very bad, okay? Will make them very unhealthy, okay? They'll become weak. We don't want our body parts to be weak, right? We want to be strong, and we want to be always in moving, jumping, running around, doing all the nonsense, right? Yeah. So for that, for you kids to be active, you should always have what? You should always have healthy food, and you should do some exercise, okay? We will see all that later, but for now what I want to say is that movement and strength is possible because of the human body, okay? Protection. What does it also do? It gives you protection. Your body also protects you. Your skin keeps germs out and helps you stay warm or cool. Inside your skeleton protects important organs like your brain, heart and lungs, keeping them safe from harm. So on the outer side, the skin will act as a barrier, right? It obstructs, it stops the germs from directly entering into your body. So skin is so super important. See, it is the largest organ of the human body, you know. It does a big work, right? A great job wherein you can stay healthy, right? And next, how about the skeleton? Skeleton is very, what do you call, sturdy, right? It's very strong. So what it does is it holds all the organs like brain, heart and lungs inside it, okay? So that these soft organs are not damaged when you get to bump onto something hard, okay? The hard skeleton will protect these soft inner organs, okay? You got my point, right? Next, what does it do? It also helps in thinking and feeling. How does it do? You all know, right? Your brain, a part of your body, controls everything you do. It helps you think, learn and remember the things. It also lets you feel emotions like happiness, sadness and excitement. So all these are possible because of brain, right? Thinking and feeling are possible because of the brain. And for protection, what did you say? Skin and also skeleton, right? Staying healthy. Your body is designed to keep you healthy. Your heart pumps blood to give you energy, your lungs help you breathe, and your stomach digests food to give you the nutrients you need. When you eat well, exercise and get enough sleep, you help your body stay strong and healthy. Okay, so see, this heart, what does it do? It pumps the blood. What does heart do? It pumps the blood. Okay, yes, repeat it. Heart will pump the blood to give you energy. Okay, and lungs, what does lungs do? How will you breathe? Okay, when you breathe through your nose, what happens? All the oxygen will reach the lungs. Okay, and what does your stomach do? Whatever you eat, it will get into your stomach, it will get digested, and all the nutrients are absorbed, right? So stomach will help in digestion. All these together, what happens? Yes, when you digest the food, you will get all the nutrients from the food and it will get absorbed, right? And your heart pumps the blood and your lungs help you in breathing. So all these together, just see, will make you stay healthy. Okay, so our body itself is designed in a way such that we can stay healthy. So you should, what did I say? You should always protect your body. So to protect your body, what is that you have to do? You have to do two things. What are those? Yes. First thing, eat healthy food. Right? Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food and then you should exercise. Right? Should always exercise. Okay, all through your life you should never forget to exercise. Okay, if you want to eat junk food, then it's okay once in a week. Okay, but not every day. Chocolates, biscuits, cookies and all other cakes, whatnot, right? You will eat so many things, pizzas and all this. You have to eat only once in a week. Not that you eat one pizza in a week and in the same week you eat cake and in the same week you eat something else. No, no, no. I am saying that one junk food per week. Okay, or maximum two, not more than that at any cost. Okay, you have to put your body healthy, keep your body healthy at any cost. Okay, so never eat unhealthy food, junk food so often. Okay, you can eat sparingly at a time. Okay, and you should exercise daily. Even if you play something like where you're physically running or exhausting yourselves, then it's fine. That can also be considered as exercise. Okay, okay, next, communication and interaction. Your body lets you to interact with the world and communicate with others. What does it do? It will allow you to interact and communicate with others. How does it happen? Because if someone talks to you, you can hear it, right? And if you want to speak something, you can talk, right? So from how will you hear? It's because listening capability is acquired or is possible because of the ear, right? And talking can be done, yes. And can you see? Yes. And if someone touches you, you can understand that someone has touched you, yes, right? So all these are possible because of a human body, right? You can see with your eyes and your you can understand the touch when someone touches you, and you can talk if you want to, right? There are so many things involved in all these are only external parts, ears, eyes, okay, and skin, and while talking our mouth. No, it's not just mouth, it's not just ear, it's not just eyes, and it's not just skin. There are so many things at the backside in the human body that are helping you to talk, listen, see and touch. So as I have said, our body is a complex, complicated and very elaborative mission. Okay, for this mission to work good, I have mentioned earlier, right? You should do exercise, you should have healthy food. That is the best thing that you can do for your body. Okay? Did you know your body is the most important tool you have? Taking care of it by eating healthy foods, exercising and getting enough sleep and practicing good hygiene will help you live a happy, active and healthy life. So some additional things are, you should get enough sleep and sleep early. Sleeping early is also very important. Okay, you should sleep by around 9:30. Okay, max. Okay, and practicing good hygiene, you should wash your hands before eating food, right? And there are some other good hygiene practices that you have to follow so that your body will be healthy, right? Otherwise your body will be prone to the germs. Unnecessary germs will get into your body and your body again has to fight all those germs, and it in turn will become weak, right? When you are unhealthy, when you get any fevers and if your temperature rises, what does it indicate? It indicates that your body is busy in fighting with the germs, right? Why do you want to always make your body do some or the other thing extra, right? You have to be active, right? But internally, if you help your body to have to be happy, then overall your health will be good, and if your health will be good, you can be very active, right? Okay. Okay, now we shall look into bones and muscles, right? So bones and muscles, how they work together. Our body's framework is what? Skeleton. I have earlier mentioned to you, right? What is skeleton? Skeleton is made up of strong bones and these bones are arranged in a particular manner, right? And that arrangement in a particular manner is called as framework. Okay? And we gave this framework a name called as skeleton. Why did we give a name? Why isn't it, why weren't we satisfied with only framework? Because framework is a general term, but we want a specific term for our human body. Our human body does so many things and we should give respect to it, right? So we gave it a special name called as skeleton. So our body has a strong framework of what? Of bones called the skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Without it, we wouldn't be able to stand up straight. Just see, only because our skeleton has given us a rigid shape, rigid body, right? On this what we can see is the skin, right? But underneath the skin you will have the skeleton, right? You will have skeleton, muscles and many other things. Okay, so because of the skeleton itself we are able to stand straight, and our body is rigid and capable enough to bear the impacts, outside impacts. Okay, when we get bumped onto the wall, we keep running, right? We will be playing, and when we fall down suddenly, what happens? Our whole body will get a thud, right? Yes or no? We'll feel the impact, right? Then with that impact, if the skeleton may not be there, or if the skeleton is so soft or something like that, then the inner parts of the body will get affected. But thank God we have a skeleton, strong skeleton, it will protect you, right? So it also protects the soft and important parts inside our body. And what else it does? It will give us shape, it will give us support, and it will protect the inner parts of your body. And joints, where the bones meet is called as joints. The place where two bones meet is called joint. Okay, now I will use my drawing skills. You know how bad they are, okay? Okay, sorry for this. What is this? This is a bone, and this is another bone, right? This part is called as joints. This is a joint. Okay, because of this you can have a movement here. Okay, so you can find these sort of joints where near the knees, elbows and neck. Just try to move your neck up and down. Yes, are you able to do it? Yes, right? So only the points where you have these joints, at that places itself you can move. Otherwise in all remaining rest of the places you can't. Okay, next, what is that? Muscles. What are the muscles? Muscles are the movers of the body. Muscles cover our bones and help shape our body. Okay, so what do? They cover our bones and help shape our body. Some muscles are attached to bones and they work together to help us move. Thanks to our muscles and bones, we can do things like write, hold objects, walk, run, nod our heads and play. So these muscles and bones, they work together to let us move or do some other activities like writing, holding, running, nodding our heads. Everything is possible because of these muscles and bones. They work together in combination to help us move. Okay? And see, this is how you will have the bones and muscles. These are the bones. This is the skeleton I have mentioned, right? This whole is skeleton. This is all tough, and inside you will have the body parts. Okay, like lungs, heart, and everything will be here. Okay, and what are these? These are the muscles. Okay, done? Yeah. Okay, next topic is importance of exercise and healthy food. This we will do in the next video. Okay, so you learnt enough. You just practice it, revise it. If you won't understand the first time, do it again either today or tomorrow. Okay, don't be in a rush to finish off the entire lesson in a go. Okay, first understand it properly and enjoy the process. Okay, bye, see you. I know that you want to play. Now you're happy to go. Okay, play. Bye, see you.